Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech. So guys, today I will be unboxing the Mivi Color Classic wireless earphones, and you can check out the box. And this is wet because I just sanitized it, and if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. So first let's remove this plastic. Okay, let me do it. Okay, it is. Now we will throw this thing, and here is the box, and push the limits, maybe branding, engineered and made in India. Okay, I will also test the sound quality and tell you if it is worth the 999 rupees or not. And deep and powerful bass, fast charging, made in India, and Color Classic, you can see. HD stereo sound, splash and dust proof, light and comfortable in ear fit, full charge in 35 to 40 minutes depending on charger. Okay, super solid bass with powerful drivers, magnetic locking for convenience. Okay, so now let's open the thing. 1 year warranty. I don't know why warranty is required in 1000 rupees product, 999. Okay, now let's check it out. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for take this out. Here is the, okay, what is this? I don't know what is this. Mivi 1 year warranty registration. Okay, this code is for something like warranty registration. Okay, let's keep this thing aside and let's see what's more in there. Color Classic Bluetooth. This is a manual, you can read it if you want to. Okay, so you can read this if you want to. Thank you for purchasing the Mivi Color Classic neckband earphones. This user guide will assist you. Okay, what is inside? Mivi Color Classic charging cable, silicone gel tips. You can read it if you want. How to power on. Press and hold this LED glows blue. How to power off. Press and hold it again. LED goes red. And how to connect a device. I'll show you how to connect it. We don't need a manual. So now let's keep this thing aside, and welcome to the crew. Okay, extra earbuds, a charging cable, micro USB, and finally the earphones, the collar. If you want a comparison between the old one and the new one, comment below. I'll also make that video. Okay, here is the power button to power, turn it on. Okay, the quality seems great, and okay, you just have to long press it, and now you can see the light is blinking blue and red again and again. And this button is volume up, volume down, rockers. Okay, and if you have to power it off, just long press it, and now you can connect it. Wait a minute, I'll show you how to connect the earphones. So first you have to open your Bluetooth settings. Okay, after opening the Bluetooth settings, take your earphones, long press this button. Okay, let's see if the light is blinking. Mivi Color Classic. Now let's connect it, and that was so easy to connect. And now let me play a song. Okay, let's play NCS. Okay, let me test the sound quality. Volume full. Let's see if it's working. You can listen the sound. Now let me listen to it. Okay, just a second. I am applying it. Okay, I have applied it and it feels so comfortable. Okay, bass is great. Sound quality is good. Okay, now I'm done with it. So guys, let me tell you, I rated 9 out of 10 at this price range, 999 rupees. This is a great product. If you want to buy this, the base is also great. At 990 rupees, it is wireless also, and you can also use it for just like, let me check out. And here is a mic. If you shoot YouTube videos, you can use it as a mic also. So if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Also click the bell icon for more such videos.